This is Josh with MarineMax in New York. Today we're looking at a brand new Sea Ray 230 SPX with the outboard option. See, this boat's equipped with 200 Mercury Verado outboard, ski pole, large sun pad here in the back, spacious cockpit, the woven carpet, stone color interior, really great color scheme on this boat. Helm, we got a Simrad electronics display, Fusion stereo. Here on the port side we have our head underneath the passenger compartment. Spacious head for a 23 boat. This boat just came in, we haven't put it together yet. You can see there's a bimini top right there. Nice bow area, plenty of room. A lot of room for a 23-foot boat. Again, great color scheme, the stone interior, gray accent carpet. Let's go take a look outside. If we look around the hull, we see the Horizon silver color, which goes really well with the interior. This boat comes with a tandem trailer. If you'd like to see this boat, come visit us in Huntington, New York, or if you have any questions, call us at the number below.